ऑस्ट्रेलिया मौजूद हैं और इस वक्त टॉस हो रहा है। बाबर आजम और जॉस बटलर दोनों मौजूद हैं।
Some of the stats were that India didn't bowl as badly as Rohit Sharma said that they did.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with that. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
This is World Cup. Babar Azam, Joss Butler, Ranjan Madhugale, all in readiness. Babar will spin the coin.
Heads. Huge game. Good nerves. I think there's a lot of good energy around the team. Obviously, great energy in the stadium, and we're looking forward to a great game.
When you look at form of both the teams, they peaked at the right time.
Yeah, we have. I think a few games feel a long time ago now, and I think both teams come into this final in red hot form and with tough challenge.
And what do you make of this pitch?
I think it looks a good wicket. Hopefully it will stay the same throughout. Obviously there's a little bit of weather around, which is why we chose to bowl first.
Great game 2 days ago, but this is a new game and a final.
Absolutely, yeah. We start fresh today. We bring confidence from the other day, but we know that counts for nothing today.
And your team for today?
We're going with the same team.
Have a good one, Joss.
Thank you.
Well, Babar, what would you have done?
We were also bowling first, but the task is not our hand. So we will try to run on the board and put some pressure on them.
But your team has come around beautifully, peaking at the right time. A lot of your players in very good form.
Of course, we have a good momentum with us, and we will try to continue that momentum in this match because we have our first 2 losses, but after that we have come back in strongly, and then we have continued in this final.
Great intent in that semi-final when you beat New Zealand. You came out all guns blazing.
Yeah, of course, win always give you confidence, and the way team playing is outstanding, so we will try to our 100% in this match.
1992, England played Pakistan at the G, and they say history repeats itself.
Yeah, of course, history is repeat, so we will try win this match and hold the World Cup. Let's see, hope is the best.
And what is your team for today's game?
We have the same team.
Have a good one, Babar. Well, there you go.
मेलबर्न में इंग्लैंड ने टॉस जीता है, पाकिस्तान को पहले बैटिंग की दावत दी है। पाकिस्तान को अब हदफ सेट करना होगा इंग्लैंड के लिए। मेलबर्न में टॉस हो चुका है और फाइनल का टॉस इंग्लैंड ने जीतकर पाकिस्तान को पहले खेलने की दावत दी है। दोनों टीमों में कोई तब्दीली नहीं की गई है और बाबर आजम टॉस हारने के बाद भी खासे पुरएतमाद दिखाई दिए। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक पर क्लिक करें।
बहुत अच्छी कवरेज की है, ये मार्च की तो जबरदस्त कवरेज थी, बॉल की प्रॉब्लम सबसे बेस्ट थी।
सबसे ज्यादा रील्स और सबसे ज्यादा रेटिंग के साथ बोल रहा नंबर 1।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।